Okay, 7/8 inch, 1 inch chair tips. This is what we're going to use right here. What's happening, YouTube? This is Mike living with 3M, and you see Legend right there. But today's video is going to be about the Explorer, and we're going to do the vent to air mod, where we basically plug off some of the ports, and we're going to make the Explorer sound a little bit more healthy as far as the turbo, the whoosh that everybody craves. You see it right there. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, come over here, and I am sorry about the dirty cover at this point in time. Can't be helped. So we're going to remove the cover. All right, got the cover off, and it goes without saying, guys, that you got to remove the oil cap to get the plastic cover piece off. Everything else is just push pins that hold down. You'll pull and pull and pull, and then eventually you'll realize that, oh crap, I got to take that off to release it. All right, so we're going to be looking at this, and there's another one way back in the back here. I think that's it. Yeah. So, all right, we're going to move to step 2, which is take these off. All right, guys, and I apologize for the wind out here. It is pretty dang windy. As you can see, the trees blowing pretty good. Okay, front is complete. So you block it off, you leave this open. All right, let me reiterate that. Block off on the air tube at the actuator for the blow off valve. It's just going to vent to the air, and the cover down here is actually going to cover all this up, so you'll never even notice it. You wouldn't even notice that unless you're a mechanic. You're just looking at it. All right, so we're going to the back here. I went ahead and unplugged this just because it's in my way. Okay, but this is your back actuator, and if you can see back there, there's the tube. It's going down to there. Sorry, the phone's actually there. Okay, now it'll focus in, and where my finger is pointing right there, that's what you've got to disconnect and put the plug on right there at the bottom, because that's on this tube right here as it goes down. That's your air tube. Just like we blocked this off, you're going to block it off down there, and you're going to disconnect this one up here if you want to, or you could just leave the tube hanging. I'll probably just disconnect it altogether. Okay, everyone, as you'll see down there on the back, chair plug, let me get my hand out of the way so it'll focus, is on the tube. Plugged it off. Okay, right up here is this tube, and you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna leave that. There's your vent to air. Let's see, let's go ahead and plug this back up so I don't forget it. Okay, actually what I did was I disconnected this, also this, and this little vacuum tube to pull this out of the way where I could just get my hands in there to work. So it's up to you guys. If you got small hands, you may not have to remove that at all, but a lot of guys remove this band clamp. It's totally around backwards to where I need to get the pliers on. So I'm figuring I'm gonna just leave that. It's not hurting a thing. That's your vent to air. So unless it sounds like a damn duck call with that tube on there, we're gonna leave it. And that way, if I ever wanna go back, it's less stuff I have to, I just have to remove that, put that back on. So we're gonna leave that. I'll show you, I just had that on there to hold that up. Put all this stuff back where it came from. Put that back down on there. And we'll go from there. All right, I'm just tightening this back up. And get this little retaining nut. I just moved that out of the way, and I did put the vacuum line back on right there. Oh, that's a 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter, yes. Doing all this with one hand, so guys, if you do it with one hand, then it's not that hard. Okay, so everything connected, connector there, open, vent to air, closed on our air tube, closed on our air tube, open, vent to air with the tube still attached. All right, okay, got everything put back on. Do not forget to put your oil cap back on. I know that usually goes without saying, but at times we can all use a reminder. So, and get up all your tools. All I had was these. That shows you how easy of a job it is. And now we'll go for a ride. All right, guys, and I'm gonna crank it up from out here. So if any of you have not heard the muffler delete, keeping the resonator, I deleted the muffler. You guys have to check out my other videos for that. You'll love it, I'm telling you. So let's go ahead and crank it up. And it never cranks when you want it to. There we go. Sorry for the car being dirty, but oh yeah. All right. Now let's go in here. See if we can get some kind of got the window down, so we'll see. Oh yeah, man. Loving it, loving it. Okay, that's with the window down. I mean, that is pretty pronounced. Yeah, you can hear it with the window up too. I like it. That sounds aggressive as all right there. So yeah, and I wound up leaving that hose on the back side. So guys, oh, sorry for the seatbelt. That's it, man. All right, if you guys have any comments or questions, just feel free to leave them below. And as always, please guys, help your boy out. Man, subscriptions and likes. Man, subscriptions and likes are so much appreciated. It helps keep the channel going, and I will continue doing my best making these videos. Yeah, and that's not even getting on it really either. It's just getting RPMs up and then letting off really quick. See, yeah, that's something else. I like it. right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you liked the video. I hope it really helps some of you out that's wanting a quick, fast, easy mod that, to me, it's a novelty. I mean, I'm not sure the wife will like it. She drives this primarily. And, you know, some guys love it. I mean, I thought it sounded pretty cool. She may not want to keep it like that. But the muffler delete plus the blow-off mod, the blow-off valve mod, man, you really, as far as aggressive, it really sounds good. Man, I'm just chatting away with you guys. I love the channel. I love interacting. Like I said, comment, subscribe, like, give me that thumbs up, man. It means everything. And I will keep bringing you guys interesting mods that I think you'll like. And I apologize again for the wind outside, the traffic going by, and the car being dirty. So maybe next time we can do a photo shoot of the clean Explorer and show what the car really looks like. It really does look good, cleaned up. All right, guys, so that'll be it for this video. I'm Mike, living with 3M. Holler.